how to complete basic tasks on Purse Plus. Once you're signed into Purse Plus, you'll unlock a new dimension of engagement on x.com. The tasks available in your Purse Plus sidebar are categorized into 3 main levels: basic, standard, and expert, each designed to help you contribute to AI development while earning rewards. Let's begin with a basic task. Click the Start button under the Basic Tasks category. Here, you'll be presented with various posts from XCOM users and influencers. Simply like or dislike these posts based on your honest opinion. After making your selection, submit your choice and move on to the next post. You'll review 10 posts in total. Upon completing this set, you'll earn 20 FUGU points as a token of your contribution. You can choose to share your achievement with your network or dive into another set of tasks. All your activities will be recorded on-chain, ensuring transparency and security. Remember, each successful completion of 10 posts rewards you with an additional 20 FUGU points, bringing you closer to unlocking more rewards. Next, we'll explore the standard tasks.